Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is about the UniRC7 transmission sharing test. The SIYI UniRC7 integrates SIYI's next-generation self-developed transmission technology. This new transmission technology automatically selects the best channel based on environmental interference, improving anti-jamming capability, with a transmission range of up to 40 kilometers. The system supports single-stream 4K at 30 fps or dual-stream 1080p at 60 fps real-time video transmission, with a transmission rate of up to 65 megabits per second and a latency as low as 170 milliseconds. Data transmission is encrypted to ensure the security of data at both ends. The video is divided into 3 parts. What products are used in this test? How to connect the cables? How to present the output? What products are used in this test? The products used in this test are SIYI UniRC7 SIYI A8mini. The cables used are A8mini signal transmission cable, A8mini power cable, UniRC7 receiver power cable adapters. How to connect the cables? The SIYI A8mini connector is a GH1.259 pin, and the LAN port connector of the SIYI UniRC7 is a GH1.258 pin. First, connect the signal output port of the A8mini to the LAN port of the UniRC7. The power port of the A8mini is a SH1.254 pin. So connect the A8mini power port to the power cable. And the other end of the power cable to the adapter. The receiver power port of the RC7 is XT30. So connect the RC7 receiver to the power cable. The other end of the power cable connects to the adapter. And finally, the adapter is connected to the battery. How to present the output. First, power on the remote controller and open the SIYI FPV app. You will see that the A8mini outputs video normally. Next, go into the settings on the remote controller. Click Network and Internet. Then click Hotspot and Tethering, find Wi-Fi hotspot, and click to enter. Here you can name the hotspot, set a password, and adjust the frequency band. Finally, turn on the switch for the hotspot. Then open your laptop, find the hotspot you set up on the remote controller and click to connect. Open the QGC software and go to its application settings, enabling the rtsp video stream. Copy the video output address of the SIYI A8mini. After returning to the flight interface, you will be able to see the video output from the SIYI A8mini. This concludes the test. Thank you for watching. For more content, stay tuned to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.